Ryan Howley, number 24, UC Davis from Flagstaff, Arizona. My favorite books growing up were the Harry Potter books. Just real entertaining, and I was into them when I was younger. My favorite word is determination, because I feel like in order to be successful in anything, you have to be determined at first, and then, in order to follow your dreams. My favorite subject growing up in school was math. Right now I'm an economics major, and I hope to do some kind of finance or banking as a career when I'm done. Definitely my mother, because she was always pushing me to be better and putting me in positions to be successful, and so I was always appreciative of that. I play a lot of golf. I think in the off season, and just like to hang out and go to the beach, things like that. I mean, as a player, I always love to see kids that are motivated and want to be there and work hard, and we're always looking for kids that are really interested in becoming better basketball players. So that's always brings a good feeling to us. My best piece of advice for you guys academically would be to challenge yourself when you're reading. Read often. It's a great tool, and it'll help you guys improve in all areas of your studies.